Riwruok mar gavanas chochne sirkal mamalo ni kod paro mar duoko migao mar thieth sirkal mamalo ka gitiyo kod yo mariek mar temo wacho ni counties tich otamo. Seyo bende seyo sirkal mamalo kuom tuno gi pok mar omenda gowi masani kalo milion 100 kodong' mana ndalo machuok kende to hik omenda mar 2023 2024 rumo. Nyaka sani counties pok oyudo pokgi mar omenda ma dweche 3 kowuok e sirkal mamalo. Kane oloso gi jofwambo jakom mar komiti mar weche thieth e Seyo Mano Mudhomi Njuki ywak ni idhiro counties mondo ti kare to sirkal mamalo ema pod okwamo gi pesgi.
I think when I look at the way the argument is being pushed, and I may not necessarily have to say by who, I think there's a deliberate effort to taint counties as being unable to run the health sector, and therefore the push to bring it back to the national government. KEMSA allows counties to have a debt up to 90 days, and that is 3 months. And yes, when debts accumulate, it does not mean that our patients have to wait until money is available for them to get sick. Patients get sick, require drugs even when the treasury has not disbursed their monies. And therefore, the national government through treasury owes the 47 counties a total of just above 100 billion up to the end of the financial year, which is just a few days to the end of the financial year. And therefore, most of the counties have paid their salaries, they have met their basic obligations in the counties, including the daily utility bills. The biggest problem is debts owed to suppliers, which have not been met because of the fact that the treasury owes the counties 3 months worth of disbursement. If the treasury was giving counties their money as is stated in the law on the 15th of every month, I can assure you that there is no county that will be having any debt to KEMSA by the end of each month.